Hey guys, Pablo here, and welcome to a brand new video in which we're going to talk about a project called FlokiVerse. In this video, we'll cover details about this project. It's a Metaverse project, so we'll have a complete discussion on what we're going to have in this project. There will be a diversity of games, NFT marketplace, and stuff like those. So we'll be covering complete information about it. I'll place all the links in the description for you guys, so make sure that you check it from there. The team is doxed on the website, so it's completely secure, and they also have LP lock. It is available on XT and PancakeSwap, so you'll be able to get those, you can buy it from there. So all of the information will be in this video and all the links will be in the description. Just note that this is not going to be an investment or a financial advice, so it's going to be completely up to you to invest in any project that you want to. Now with this being said, let's move straight to the project. Now, here we are at the official website of FlokiVerse token. Now, if you have been here for some time and if you have been watching my videos, you probably know where this word Floki came from, or if you have been kind of like active in reading Elon Musk's tweet, you probably know where this word came from. Basically, he bought a puppy, his Shiba Inu, and he named him Floki, and that's where the Floki word became really popular. Now, what's going to happen in this? Basically, this is a Metaverse project. And we're going to have basically, when we talk about having a Metaverse project, some things comes obvious in this, and that include P2E games, play to earn concept, a 3D universe, and stuff like those. So those are kind of like on the obvious end of what we're going to have, but we're going to discuss what other things are we going to have, what kind of games are we going to have, the play to earn mechanism, how will that work, what will be the revenue flow and stuff like those. And this is what we'll be discussing in this video, and we'll be taking a look at other information. They have been listed on CoinmarketCap and on CoinGecko. You can take a look at their chart on the PooCoin, and we have a lockup, so we'll be discussing these information too. It says FlokiV token, a new Binance Smart Chain project that combines the metaverse with the real world alongside cool designs and non-fungible tokens. Again, we have NFT that are obvious when we have a metaverse project. Now, it says, the Metaverse future was conceived with a mission to create an open Metaverse where partners not only play games to earn money, but also freely create values to serve the needs of the inhabitants of the Metaverse. Now, here it says, Metaverse future FlokiV gives you the opportunity to choose. They are developing their DAO, so we'll be discussing that in detail too. Developing and cooperating with partners that provide open solutions that users can use to create valuable products and assets, serving the diverse needs of the inhabitants of the Metaverse future. The Metaverse is a vision that spans many companies. The whole industry you can think about is the successor to the mobile internet. Now, you can, I'm guessing you can read this information by yourself, and there's no need for me to read them out. Now, here's the, I would say, features that you have, because we know that it is on the Binance Smart Chain, so the lower cost comes obvious in there. Maximum low transaction fees thanks to Binance Smart Chain. Community, by using our payment system, we will interact with people in our community, and this will lead to sustainable partnership and security. And then fast blockchain, again, this is one of the things that comes obvious with the Binance Smart Chain because it is popular for being a fast blockchain. This guarantees fast translations and accurate work. This video explains how you'll be buying this token, and they actually have placed widgets directly embedded in the website through which you can buy the token, whether you want to buy it on the Rubik, or you want to buy it on the PooCoin, or this says PancakeSwap. So basically you can buy this right here by connecting your wallet. So I think that's not something that you'll be having problem with. These are their exchange listings and these are the tokenomics. First, let's get the introduction. We already have discussed what we're going to have. So first is going to be NFT marketplace that we'll be having in this. We will create an NFT marketplace platform. This platform will be integrated with games and official website. You can buy and trade NFTs whenever you want by using website or integrated in-game panels. There will be merchandise. There will be different merch. There will be multiple classes of P2E games, not just one kind of game. There will be different classes, different genres, which is not something that we have seen before, because usually we see one kind of game genre that is being used in the Metaverse. So in this, it'll be completely different. It says they will have a game diversity, in which first they will have a mobile tower defense game on the Google Play Store, and then they'll begin their second mobile game development of an FPS shooter game, first person shooter game, and then there'll be you know, they'll be launching a first AAA FPS games trailer. So again, they'll be launching their first AAA FPS game too. So there's not just going to be one kind of game, there will be different kind of games. And then they're saying, first we have little baby steps now. We are developing an awesome UE5 powered game, Unreal Engine 5, using Unreal Engine. And we know that we have never seen a small kind of game being made using Unreal Engine 5. So definitely it'll be very, very insane. First, they'll be taking all these baby steps, launching games on mobile that'll include an FPS shooter game, a mobile tower defense game, or AAA FPS game, and then they'll be launching their developing their awesome game on the Unreal Engine 5. So this is what they like to call it, game diversity. So there will be different games. They will have all of them will be having the play to earn mechanism, in which people will be able to play the game and they'll be able to earn. And then we have NFT integration, and then we have, they'll have their own NFT marketplace, their own merch. So as you can see, we have a lot of things into this. Now we can take a look at the roadmap that is right here. I think it's there in the website too. Now if we talk about the tokenomics here, the token ticker is FlokiV. Metaverse future FlokiV token, total supply of this is 100 billion tokens. It is exchanges is currently PancakeSwap, BSC Standard, BB20, Blockchain, Binance Smart Chain. And now here is the token distribution. This is for the token, this is for the rewards. So if you talk about the token, ecosystem 40%, reserve fund 20%, team advisor 15%, marketing 5%, rewards 10%, sold globally 10%. In rewards, we have 60% community, 20% reserve fund, 15% airdrops, and 5% team advisor. And this brings us to the team that we have here. You can take a look at you basically have all of their telegrams that is right here, and you have all their social media that is linked right here. It'll be in the description too, so you can easily take a look at from there. Now if we talk about their tokenomics, now if you talk about the roadmap to see what they want to do in the future, so this is the Q1 of this year. Hiring qualified people for a community build-up, listing on PancakeSwap, CoinmarketCap, and CoinGecko, launch of our first mini game Android iOS. This is probably that tower defense game. Drop of our first NFT collection, starting to develop our own NFT marketplace, and then starting to develop our DAO and second mini game, which will be an FPS shooter game on the mobile. So this you can see here you can see they'll be developing their own DAO system. Now in the Q2, they're going to go for first centralized exchange listings. They'll be launching their NFT marketplace. They'll be launching testnet of the main game that is called FlokiVerse, and then launching their DAO. This will be happening in the Q2, and then starting to design merchandise material, and then trailer of the main game. That will be, I'm guessing that main game can be the AA game, or probably the one that we talked about that'll be on the Unreal Engine 5. And then in the Q3 of this year, launch of FlokiVerse on PC, that'll be the main game. Drop of our first collection of FlokiVerse merchandise materials, integration of merchandise products to website, and then applying to sandbox for FlokiVerse game integration, and then second centralized exchange listings tier 1 and tier 2, and then they will be applying for OpenSea for original collection page, FlokiVerse. And then in the Q4, launch of official DAO governance, test of new in-game features like crafting, breeding, etc., launch of NFT staking feature, and then investments for baby projects, DAO governance in charge, and then start of FlokiVerse venture capital, DAO governance in charge, online in-game PvP competitions and tournaments. Now as you can see, they'll be developing their whole DAO governance, and they'll be developing their games, and they're going to go for exchange listings, developing their NFT marketplace and stuff like those. And basically the people in the DAO will get to choose and vote on what happens next, so they'll basically be in charge of running the project. Now we already have discussed about their roadmap. I already have showed you guys the lockup that they have. This is about like for 4 months, and this is their chart on the PooCoin. So basically we have discussed all of the information about this project. As you can see, it is pretty insane. We're going to have a lot of diverse games into this. The metaverse that they're developing, it's like, I think it's more interesting than other metaverse projects that we have been discussing about. So make sure that you check this project out. I am going to give you guys all the links in the description so you can take a look at it for yourself. And that's all I have for you guys in this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned. Disclaimer: trading digital assets involve significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not.